When we talk about Hokkien Mee, the image in your head will depend on where you live. In Singapore, they have their own version of Hokkien Mee. Up to Kuala Lumpur, they have black, dark Hokkien Mee in color. In Penang, they have orange, broad Hokkien Mee in color. But today, I want to show you another version of our Hokkien Mee, which is kind of a known dish outside of Thailand and being under the shadow of other versions. This is Phuket version of Hokkien Mee, and today we want to show you how to make it. To make a sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce or ketchup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Find the best soy sauce as you could. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Your sauce should be salty, sweet, and umami. Heat your oil until smoking point. Finely chop garlic and shallot in. And add in style to show our Hokkien Mee. And put our sauce in, mix it well, and keep stir frying. Cabbage in. You can use other kind of vegetable that available in your area. Bok choy, Chinese kale would work perfectly fine. Then our stock in. Then cover the lid. Basically this that we rest our Hokkien Mee. After that, your sauce should be this thick. Then our trims in. You can use any kind of protein that you like. Pork, chicken, seafood. For restaurants, I like to put fish ball in too. Then clack our egg in. Then cover the lid for a couple of minutes. And now you have Phuket style Hokkien Mee. Which one is your favorite Hokkien Mee version?